Like, it looks very flattering, it looks really nice, very eye-catching. Just because you wear glasses, don't ever feel like you cannot slay your face or your eyes, because like no one's going to notice. People are going to notice. Hey beautiful, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I wear my makeup when I wear my glasses. I know there's a glare right now on my glasses. I don't know how to adjust the lighting so that you don't see this big ring and then the lights on the side. Excuse that. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, if you guys wear glasses, if you guys wear prescriptions, leave your prescription down below. I'm -4 and -4.50. So let me zoom in and let's start on the eyes. Okay, so first we're gonna go in with the Makeup Obsession Brow Pomade in medium brown. So I'm gonna go in with a Morphe E29 and I'm just going to just spoolie through my brows. I'm like breaking out everywhere. This one looks so painful. Look at this. Oh, it's like an underneath pimple. Okay, so we are just going to outline my eyebrow with the pomade. Then spoolie through. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and set the brows, and I will be using the Brow Gal eyebrow gel. And I like this eyebrow gel because it reminds me of the soap technique because of the way it just adheres to the eyebrows. Like, this is literally my favorite. I just love how it just grabs onto the hair and it gives it that like soap-like eyebrow. Any way you lay down your eyebrow, it stays. All right, so now I'm just going to carve out my eyebrow and get this all crispy crunchy using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear in Latte. You guys know that's my freaking favorite. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid because it's going to be our eyeshadow base. If you guys know a cool hack right here, you see that where the glasses lay? If you guys have a cool hack to avoid that, I would love to know because I hate seeing that. So I haven't played with this palette yet, but I'm pretty excited. This is the e.l.f. Opposites Attract. When I'm wearing my glasses, I usually like to stay very, very light on my eyes, and then sometimes I don't care. I'm going in, it's really bold, but we'll still stay safe in like the not so bold, but at the same time a little bit of boom. Okay, so we're gonna go in with Cheeky and we're just going to add her in our crease. It's a really pretty color, and we're just going to just lightly blend that. I kind of want it like to spread it all over the lid using a Morphe R37. Make sure this is worked in all over my lid. Work it back in, then work it back out like this. All right, now I'm going to go in with Fresh and we're just going to apply that underneath our brow bone, and it just blends in perfectly. So now I'm going to go in with Warm using a Makeup Shack T88. I'm just going to apply just a little bit. We're just going to just pat it and then lightly just blend that in, focusing it just mostly in my crease like that. Got some shimmer going on because I didn't dust off my eyeshadow brush good enough. Okay, now we're gonna go back in with Fresh and we're just going to add that all over our lid. So I haven't used this yet, but I'm pretty excited because I love JCat Beauty products. So this is the JCat Beauty Chromatic Pigment Vanity Goddess, and this one is in Hype Exposure. Ooh. I'm so stupid. I thought it was something. I thought it was like those squishy like pigments they have. I dropped it all. Stupid, pinche pendeja. Stupid. I'm so mad. I wonder if I could save any of it. I'm just going to see if I can just like move my thigh a certain way and just scoop it up. Oh, okay. It's working. Cleaning it off the floor. Mira, that's so much. Okay, I still want to use it because after I got it all over my thigh, it looks pretty. So I want to pop a little bit right here. I don't know about you guys. I need still like a little bit of like, wow. So I'm just going to wet my brush because this is a pigment, using the LA Girl setting spray. And I read it también what it said, pero todavía I was like, okay, stupid. And I'm just going to just apply it all over my lid. Because just because we're wearing glasses doesn't mean our eyes can't shine. Okay, doesn't mean they can't have a little of action going on. Then I'm just gonna go in with that brush, the Morphe, and just blend it a little bit more so it doesn't look like we just slapped it on. So everything just looks like it just fades, like very pretty and nice, okay? I'm not gonna go with any eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Volumatic Mascara in black. And I'm just going to coat this baby on. Coat that mascara. Now, my favorite lashes I like wearing when I'm wearing my glasses is the Ardell Wispies. I like wearing them with or without my glasses, but these are my go-tos when I'm wearing my glasses. You don't have to wear lashes, but for the lovers of lashes who have to wear lashes every single day, I got you, girl. I know the feeling. Yeah. So now I'm just going to just curl my lashes before I apply my falsies. And I'm just going in with Clear Duo Lash Glue. I'm gonna grab the lashes and I'm gonna get as close as I can to my lash line. Okay, and then I'm going with my Makeup Shack curler and I'm just going to pinch my natural lashes with the falsies. All right, now let's move on to my face. Going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. First, let's shake it up. Just going to apply this all over my face. Ooh, look how pretty that looks. Using my Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I want my skin to have like a really nice glow. So I'm gonna go with the Suva Beauty, and this one is in Trust Fund. With these pigment drops, I gotta make sure I go in small. I always wanna go in with like a lot. I'm just going to use my LA Girl 108 brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. Ooh, that's pretty. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. Even like that. Like, oh, okay, we're good. Let's go. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Urban Cover Full Coverage SPF 50 Soft Tan. Kind of forget how full coverage this one was. So I'm still gonna use a LA Girl 108 brush, and I'm just going to just blend this in. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild beauty sponge, and I'm just going to just tap over all that just to make sure that everything is just really well blended into my skin. I've been loving this one lately a lot. This is the JCat Beauty Stay Assurance. This one is in Soft Tan. I just love the full coverage that it gives me. So I'm just going to just add this right underneath. It works like a high-end concealer. It literally is amazing. You want high-end results but affordable price, go with the JCat Beauty. And then I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Hard Candy Bake, Brighten, and Set, and this is in the shade Banana. I'm just going to lightly just set all over my face. I'm gonna go with the LA Girl Warm Honey High Definition Matte Pressed Powder. So I'm going with a little bit, and this is just going to give us just a nice warm contour. I'm gonna go in with Isn't It Peachy from Makeup Obsession. And I love using this blush right here, Hint. It's so pretty. And just smile really big so you can get your cheeks. Then I'm just going to remove that powder. So I'm just going to set my face using the Makeup Obsession Fit Fix Extra Hold Makeup Setting Spray. And I like to set my face like really good because we need our skin looking like really nice. Because I feel like when you wear glasses, people tend to like stare at your face a lot longer. I don't know why. Maybe it's just me, but that's what I feel. I'm just going to just press this in my skin. Being bougie with my fan. I'm so happy about this fan. Okay, because we need our skin looking nice and looking fresh and pretty. Now I'm just going to add my bottom mascara. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with my Flower Beauty Warrior Princess. So sometimes I like to go in with a shadow and just smoke out underneath my lash line. But sometimes I don't. Most of the time you don't really see a smoked out bottom lash line when I'm wearing my glasses. Just because I feel like it can make me look a little bit too tired with my glasses. I don't know why. I just feel like it's just a little bit too much. And when I'm wearing mascara that really just pops underneath, I don't want to take away from that. It's personal preference. And sometimes you will catch me with a smoked out bottom lash line. Now going in with the Physician Formula Rose All Day Petal Glow. And apply it right there. What I like about this highlight is that it just keeps going and going and going. You can get carried away with it, but it won't look like it's overkill at the same time. Grab a little more and pop that in right there. A little bit underneath my brow. Blend that. Now your skin looks glowy, like I'm gonna give you guys 3 options for lips, okay? Because these are like literally my favorites. So first, let's go in, and you can line your lips. You don't have to line your lips. You could do whatever you want. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm going to use the LA Girl. This one is in Sugar and Spice. And then I'm gonna go in with the Ofra Cosmetics. This one is in Mocha. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So there's one lip. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop BFF3. Then I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal 500 Mauve. And this smells so good. I had a nude one and someone stole it from me, but this one is still pretty. And you guys will see it is gorgeous. It glides on like butter. Your lips feel hydrated. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna go in with Thrive Cosmetics. This is, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'll link it down below. It's a pretty mauve shade. Then I'm gonna go in with the Alamar, and this one is Mother of Pearls Corazon. And it smells so good. I'm still contemplating on whether or not to get their nude glosses. I've been talking about it forever. So if they have a sale, tag me in it so that I can buy it. So here is this one. I'm going to go with my L'Oreal one. Let me show you guys up close how the skin looks. I'm trying to see if I can put on one of my pair of glasses and it not show a glare. So what, I have to take a picture like this? I really wish it would let me just like show y'all. Let me see. There you go. So I have to stay like this so you guys see it. So if you were in front of me and we were talking, you could still see like the shimmer on my eye. My lashes look really like boom. Skin looks good. Eyebrow, you see that eyebrow? It looks really good. See? So you could still see how everything looks good. It looks very flattering, it looks really nice, very eye-catching. Just because you wear glasses, don't ever feel like you cannot slay your face or your eyes because like no one's going to notice. People are going to notice. And the wispy lashes are so good because they don't touch your glasses. And you guys see this is like all the way, see I'm like touching my forehead with it. I'm touching my forehead with it and it's still good. So I have a different shirt. I was editing and I forgot to say goodbye, you guys. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. And you guys can get this so there's no glare. You can pay extra for that to go away. I had totally forgot that because the whole time I'm over here complaining, and I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Te quiero mucho, you guys. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.